Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, Sagittarius, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, let's start with these cards for your general energies, guys. We have Sun in reverse, Nine of Swords, and Four of Cups. So, in your situation, guys, circumstances, it may be in your work or in your relationship, something is bothering you and creating a lot of stress for you. You don't know what to do, which way to go, and you have a lot of anxiety. You are feeling tired, sick and tired of your situation. You just wish that everything will change in your situation, and you are planning or you are thinking of the ways to come out of this difficulty, planning ahead, planning your future, engrossed in your thoughts, maybe, guys. But there are offers and opportunities coming your way, a way out of this difficulty, but you are not aware of it or you are not ready to take up. So, the experience that you had already has quite, shook you up. It has shaken you totally, and you don't know how to handle this present situation. So you are scared to venture into something new that is coming up. You fear a new change or a new possibility in your situation, and you are just feeling stuck, cornered, unable to decide. And also, guys, a lot of stress, you may have emotional stress. So it may be a situation in your relationship, maybe you are simply shocked by the way this person has behaved or whatever they did, and you are simply in in a blank state. You don't know what to do or how to decide or what to think. So there is some kind of a help reaching you out. Maybe there are people trying to bring you out of this difficult situation, but you are unaware of them, unaware of people trying to reach you, guys. So you are engrossed in your thoughts, sleepless, worried, and that is what I see, guys. So it may be a situation in your relationship, or it may be a circumstance in your career, maybe some difficulties because some financial loss or some delays in projects, something unexpected happening. But Sagittarius, you need not worry. This is a very positive card here, guys. The Sun, though it is in reverse, it is a very positive card, and it stands for positive inspiration and confidence. So I'm sure you are going to come out of this difficult situation very soon, guys. If you have that strength, determination, and willpower to overcome all these difficulties, you are doing that for sure. That is what I see with these cards, Sagittarius. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the card for those who chose this card. So I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is this card first. It is an angel card, guys. So I pick cards randomly from the deck for you all, guys. So we have an angel card. It just means angels are here guiding us today in your circumstance, and this card stands for strength, protection and courage. So in your situation, maybe you may have some kind of a dream, vision in your situation guiding you, aligning your life maybe to fulfill your purpose. So whatever you love to do, maybe you may suddenly feel inclined to do certain things, maybe take up some path. It may be a career path or it may be a hobby, something which you feel really inspired to do, something which you are subconsciously guided, and it is all for your own good, guys. And that activity or that whatever effort you're putting in, it's going to change the way things are in your situation, guys. It is simply going to give you more confidence, give you strength, and you will feel guided. And we often feel let down or pulled down by the challenges we face and all that negative thoughts and emotions that we have, and we are so much afraid. So we need that inner strength, and this card stands for that inner strength, guys. So no matter whatever the circumstances are today, you are lovingly guided, and you will have that intuition pointing you towards the right choices today, and you need not fear. And this angel is here assisting us today, giving us that strength and protection that we need in our life today, guys, in our circumstances today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card. It is Citrine. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your situation today, you need to build your relationship with love and trust, and this card stands for joyful expression, happiness, and letting go of all negativity that we have. So the way to build a strong foundation in our relationship through love and trust, how do we do that? It is simply by spending time with that other person, doing something fun, maybe doing some activity that is fun, where you enjoy each other and where you laugh and play around, feel happy, feel adventurous. So this is the time for you to go for that positive attitude or positive things in whatever you are doing. Find something funny or positive to tell that other person, and you will feel joyous, happy, and the same way this person will also feel loved and happy to be with you, spend time with you. And that is the this card, guys, the energy with this card. It stands for happiness and joyful expressions. So the way we enjoy the circumstance, enjoy this relationship with this other person, it inspires them to give up the sadness or whatever pain they have in their heart. So you need not hold back, from being happy today, guys. So this may be your energy or their energy towards you. So you are happy, you are changing the situation for this person, inspiring them, or they are happy with you, inspiring you to be happy. And do not forget, happiness brings more happiness, so you need to be happy no matter what. So this is the time for that, guys, to radiate happiness. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the readings I post every day. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks again for watching. Bye, guys. Love you all.